everyone, it's Yen here. Welcome back to my channel. This is another painting that I did at the FAB Fluid Art Boutique in Washington DC. Once again in one of Kathleen's classes. I decided to do a pour with 3 ring pours. Very basic. But yeah, I just wanted to try it out. Sadly, again, this one I was not able to bring home with me. I was a bit iffy about it when I had finished it, but the more I've seen the pictures that I do have of it, I actually liked it, and I'm a little bit sad that I didn't take it home with me, but it was not that easy because, as you all know, I came over from Germany and I had limited room in my suitcases and didn't want to just pack them in my real suitcase and have them thrown around, so I was bringing the paintings, I was bringing the paintings in my carry-on, and of course there's limits to how much you can actually bring. So yeah, that's why I wasn't able to bring all of them home. So I'm just layering the cups, again, much thinner paints than I'm used to, but a little thicker than for the swipes. And just layering the cups with these colors that I'll be going through in a second. This is what the cups look like, and now I'll be showing you the paints that I'm using. Here's just the lineup, and so it's the pewter, Deco Art Metallics pewter, it's golden fluid acrylics iridescent silver, Deco Art Metallics teal, Deco Art Extreme Sheen Deep Sapphire, Pebeo Studio Iridescent Green Yellow, and the base coat was a mix of Artist Loft Black with a little golden fluid acrylics iridescent pearl, just to give it a shine. I will not be talking much more. I just want to once again thank you for coming here to my channel, and yeah, if you're not already subscribed, it would mean a lot to me if you would have subscribed to my channel. It really helps me growing, and also do leave a comment in the comment section below. I will answer any questions you have, and last but not least, give me a thumbs up. Thank you. And with that said, I am just gonna put some music on, and you can just enjoy the rest of the video. Because I wasn't able to bring the piece home with me, I will not be able to show you the dried result, but there will be you will be able to see the wet result. I actually do like it, and I think that it would have dried beautifully, but I was not able to bring it home. You all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you soon. Bye.